Old girl's on the intercom. I'm so nervous. When we got stopped at that light down there. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm headed out to a event at San Diego Harley. I guess they're having a grand reopening because they're under new ownership. So there's going to be stunt bikes out there, free tattoos, free food, just a bunch of stuff. So I'm meeting up with a few friends right now, and we're going to head over there. Let's get to it. Yeah. Nothing. Of course, man.
I forgot you got your camera.
Yeah, man. YouTube videos. That's what we do. All right, let's go, Lil C. God damn. That's a pothole for the century, boy. No, hell no. Oh, she stalled. It's okay. Alright, you ready to get up there? Alright. Prius. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to get over one. You scared me for a second. You're like, oh shit. I think we're turning off right here. All right, we're good. How to light her up, son? That's gonna be another right here. No, that's okay. Give it some gas and then shift gears and then give it some more gas. God damn it. Go, 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 go. Look at you. Look at you. You're scared. It's like you're a little rabbit getting chased by a bunch of wolves. Alright, just watch out for the traffic down here. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the event. There's a lot of bikes out, man. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a group of them up there, and there's just a bunch. So let's see what it's like, man. I'll take some videos of the stunt bikes and stuff. I don't know who's coming out here, but I definitely watch a few of the stunt riders on YouTube and other platforms. So yeah, we'll see what it's like. You can hear me? Yeah, we'll just take our time finding a spot. Just don't get nervous about the bikes around you. No, I know, but they, you know, they know you're there and you know they're there, so just take your time. Up here to the right, there's a big ass parking lot, so yeah. What do you mean, bro? You made it. It's okay. You're different. That's okay. To be fair, this is my first Harley, so I need exhaust on my bike, I tell you what.